Hello, in this video we'll be treating the characters used by William Shakespeare in Othello. And first on the list is Othello. Othello is the tragic hero, a successful soldier who, through hard work and zeal, rose up from a very young and lower ranked soldier and rose up to become a general in the Venetian army. He is a very adventurous, very egocentric. He is very pompous as a person. He has trust for people. That was why Iago was able to manipulate him for his own gain, Iago's gain. He also has confidence in himself. He has confidence in his lineage, and he has love for Desdemona. Another character is Iago. Iago is the evil genius. He is the antagonist. As Othello is the hero and protagonist of the play, Iago is the antagonist. He started the whole intrigues, the whole manipulation that brought about the tragedy in the story. He's a very bitter man. He's very ambitious. He actually wanted the post of Othello, and then he's jealous of Cassio, who rose up over himself. Another character is Desdemona. Desdemona is a very beautiful, very kind-hearted daughter of Brambascio. She belongs to the upper class of the society. She's a very loving and virtuous wife of Othello. She is lively, and she lacks infidelity in her blood. She's so honest and lovable that everybody that sees her is envious of Othello being the husband of Desdemona. Another character is Cassio. Cassio is the lower rank officer in the Venetian army. He is fair and honest in his dealings. Another character in Othello is Emilia. Emilia is the wife of Iago, the handmaid and maidservant of Desdemona. She's a very loyal handmaid to Desdemona. She does everything that she's supposed to for Desdemona. She is the loving wife of Iago. She loves her husband very well, and she's very loyal to Iago. She actually helped Iago carry out his plans against his enemies. But unfortunately, she died in the hands of Iago, her husband. Another character is Rodrigo. Rodrigo is a very rich young Venetian man in Venice. He loves Desdemona. He sees Desdemona as the type of lady that compliments him in society. Having known that she comes from a very wealthy and influential background, Rodrigo is that person that goes for what he wants, no matter the costs. And another character is Brabantio. Brabantio is the father of Desdemona. He belongs to the high rank society in Venice. He is a senator in council, and as such, he wants his reputation to stay the way he wants by making his daughter marry and become one of like himself. So these are some of the major characters in Othello, and some of the minor characters are Lodovico, the Duke, and some others. Then in the next video, we'll be treating questions from SSC and post-UTME.